are travel related, and they are currently self-isolating at home. The state has not said if there's any connection to the other cases. So far, there's been 1,270 people tested in New Mexico, and the number of cases is expected to rise.
Happening now, Albuquerque City Council is discussing whether to extend emergency powers to Mayor Tim Keller. The ordinance would allow the mayor to declare a public health emergency for up to 7 days. It would give him the power to prohibit mass assemblies, close daycares and preschools, and relocate city staff. It would not let him seize private property or put individuals in quarantine. The meeting is only open to city councilors, media, and essential staff. We'll have a live report from that meeting at 6 on Fox New Mexico. As New Mexico tries to keep the coronavirus from spreading, it's creating frustration for people waiting in long lines to get answers both on the phone and in person. Nurse Routine's Annalisa Pardo is looking into how the state's coronavirus hotline and drive-through testing is going. She's live this evening at Press Now on the west side, where testing is going on right now. Annalisa?
Dean, cars have been coming here for the drive-through testing all day, and right now the line is pretty short, but at one point today the wait was well over 2 hours. Now people aren't only experiencing long lines here, but also on the phone with the state's coronavirus hotline. The state has 2 hotlines for New Mexicans to call, one for questions about the virus. The second is for everything non-health related, like school closings and gathering restrictions. Misty Chavez said she had to leave a message when she called asking about virus symptoms. But she was called back within the hour. Nicole Albrecht took these screenshots when she had to wait up to an hour and a half and still never connected with anyone. She called multiple times over 3 days and she was never answered.
Extremely frustrating and scary. I'm sitting here with the image that there's like 2 people on a phone line trying to accommodate the whole entire state of New Mexico's questions.
At the drive-through testing at Press Now on the west side, the line to get tested at one point went down Western Trail and all the way to Atrisco Drive Northwest. Some people had to wait in line for over 2 hours to be tested. The city of Albuquerque says you should call the hotline or set up a virtual doctor appointment before going to the drive-through. Now, we did reach out to the New Mexico Department of Health for more information on the state's hotlines and how they're handling all of the calls, but we did not hear back in time. Dean?
All right, Annalisa, thank you. Now, the drive-through screenings at that Press Now location on Coors Boulevard is open every day now from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening.
The Metro